Canada announces new rural immigration pathway, how to prepare and apply first. Welcome back to Chugo Immigration Matters. We are excited to share that Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, has officially launched the Rural Community Immigration Pilot, RCIP, a new pathway to permanent residence for foreign nationals seeking to live and work in rural Canada. With a limited number of applications accepted each year, it's crucial to prepare early to maximize your chances of success. Stay tuned till the end as we explain it to you quickly. RCIP is a targeted immigration pathway designed to attract skilled workers to 14 designated rural communities in Canada, excluding Quebec. The program aims to address labor shortages in these areas while helping newcomers establish long-term roots in their communities. As of January 30th, 2025, IRCC has selected the following 14 rural communities to participate in RCIP: Pictou County in Nova Scotia, North Bay in Ontario, and Sudbury in Ontario. Others are Timmins in Ontario, Sault Ste. Marie in Ontario, Thunder Bay in Ontario, Steinbach Community in Manitoba, and Altona Rhineland located in Manitoba. Also, there is Brandon in Manitoba, Moose Jaw in the province of Saskatchewan, and Claresholm located in Alberta. Others are West Kootenay in British Columbia, North Okanagan Shuswap in British Columbia, and Peace Lyard, also in the province of British Columbia. Each community will be represented by a local economic development organization, which will collaborate with IRCC to identify labor needs, approve employers, and recommend qualified candidates for permanent residence. To qualify for RCIP, applicants must meet the following criteria. Job offer: a full-time permanent job offer from a designated employer in a participating community. Work experience: must meet the required experience threshold. Exceptions apply for eligible international graduates. Language proficiency: meet the required Canadian language benchmark, CLB level, for the job's NOC tier category. Education: have at least a secondary school diploma or equivalent. Proof of funds: demonstrate financial ability to support yourself and your family for 1 year. Intent to reside: show genuine intent to live in the community where you receive your job offer. Certificate of recommendation: obtain a valid recommendation certificate from a recognized economic development organization. Legal status: if you are in Canada, you must maintain valid temporary resident status while awaiting PR approval. This is a first-come, first-served program with a limited number of spots each year. Being among the first applicants can significantly improve your chances of securing a nomination as soon as the communities make the announcement. Research the participating communities. Identify which areas align with your skills and lifestyle. Secure a job offer. Start reaching out to employers in participating communities and applying for jobs. Meet the language requirements. Take your IELTS, CELPIP, or TF exam to ensure you meet the necessary CLB level. Gather required documents. Have your educational credentials assessed, ECA, proof of funds, and work experience documentation ready. Stay updated on application timelines. Monitor IRCC and community announcements to apply as soon as applications open. A little background of this RCIP. It is a replacement for RNIP. RCIP succeeded the Rural and Northern Immigration Pilot, RNIP, which stopped accepting applications in August 2024. While IRCC has hinted at making RNIP a permanent program, for now, RCIP will serve as the key pathway for skilled workers looking to settle in rural Canada. The participating communities will release specific application details soon. Stay tuned and start preparing now. Chugo Immigration Service is an experienced Canadian immigration consultant. Reach out to us if you require any professional assistance. If you found this information useful, please like our channel, share it with your friends, and remember to subscribe. Thank you for watching.